StashAway is one of the simplest ways for beginners to start investing without stress, and this guide walks through everything you need to know from the moment you open the app to the point your money begins working for you. The goal is clarity, confidence, and a clear path to steady, long-term growth. StashAway works through automated portfolios managed by algorithms and investment experts. Once you install the app, the onboarding process collects your financial goals, income level, investment horizon, and risk comfort. These details help StashAway assign a risk index level, which becomes the backbone of your portfolio structure. A lower index focuses on stability and capital preservation, while higher levels tilt toward growth through equities. Funding your account is simple. After linking your bank, deposit the amount you wish to start with, even as low as a few dollars. StashAway immediately allocates your money across ETFs covering stocks, bonds, and other global assets. Every allocation is driven by an economic model designed to adjust to market conditions without emotional decision-making. Once invested, the platform takes over. It automatically rebalances your portfolio whenever market movements shift your allocations away from the intended strategy. Rebalancing ensures discipline, consistency, and protection of your long-term plan. You don't need to monitor charts or predict trends. StashAway handles the mechanics while you remain focused on building steady contributions. Dollar-cost averaging remains one of the most powerful habits for beginners. Setting up an automatic monthly deposit, even with small amounts, compounds over time and smooths out market volatility. StashAway's historical data consistently shows the benefit of long-term discipline over timing the market. The dashboard gives a clean view of your performance, deposits, and portfolio breakdown. Everything remains transparent so you always understand where your money is placed and why. StashAway is built for beginners who want a smart, hands-off investment system. With clear goals, steady deposits, and patience, the platform becomes a powerful long-term wealth-building tool.